Here's how to use Patrichory's all-natural shampoo bars and conditioner bars. It's really simple to use. First, make sure you wet your hair thoroughly. We mean really thoroughly. Upon first use, rub the bar for a few seconds to activate the bar until you see some foam. Then apply the shampoo directly on your scalp. A few strokes should be sufficient to create enough lather, but if you have thicker hair, feel free to slather on more. Place the bar aside on a soap dish or mat. Then give your scalp a good massage. You should be getting a good amount of foam which you can run through your hair as well. We use a gentle surfactant and this removes dead cells, oil and dirt from your scalp and hair. When you're done, rinse the foam off. Squeeze out excess water from your hair ends. Now for the conditioner bar. Activate the conditioner bar under a bit of water, then glide the conditioner bar along your hair. It is fine if the conditioner bar goes onto your scalp. Work through the conditioner on your hair for a minute, and then rinse off and run your fingers through and experience the smoothness of your hair. Remember, to care for your bars, ensure you don't run them underwater for too long. Keep them in a dry area in your shower too. If your shower space is humid and moist, we recommend taking it out to dry every now and then. Enjoy the feel of your hair after the wash. Happy scalp, healthy hair.